17 years ago, Canadian Tire was actually supposed to just be a part-time job for me. And ended up finding my niche here within these four walls, found some of my greatest friends.
It's been just an amazing experience working here.
I talk to many people on a daily basis, and bringing a change in their life, a positive change, at the end of the day is the most loving part of this job.
It's quality all around. It's the people, it's the job, it's the environment. Everything here is quality. I came into credit services not knowing anything about banking, and the experience that I've got and the learning I've gotten over the past 2 years has actually impacted my life outside of work as well. So coming to work for Canadian Tire, you can expect great things.